Hello.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Droidcon Berlin, lots of cars. What's happening here?
Yeah, I think it's getting a new touch with the OEMs and the automakers and also some suppliers, automotive suppliers, who in future will maybe be a bigger player because you're now sitting in the new EQ6, Audi EQ6, brand new, will be launched in autumn. And you also see the first fully Android Automotive IVI system.
Okay.
So here's the middle display, and you also see, and this is, I think, pretty nice, you have now also a passenger display where the passenger can do some stuff.
Great. It looks like Android.
Yeah,
It's
it
Android.
looks like Android.
Yeah.
It is Android.
Okay.
So
what can be done with this console? First of all, I think you have touched the Android. It's not the normal Android on the phone.
no,
So it's not.
it's the Android Automotive. So the difference between Android Auto, what maybe you know, because of mirroring, it's connecting your phone with the IVI system.
Okay.
The difference is that we now have deeper integrated Android Automotive. That means fully Android, still based on Kotlin. And the pretty new thing is, and this is why we are here, is we have an integrated app store. So that means you have your favorite third-party apps, which you already knew from your Play Store, also here in the store. And in the future, you don't need to pair your phone again. You only need to log in once in Spotify, and then you always have Spotify. These are normal Spotify, so it's a templated app on a media template, which is provided by Google, and it's pretty easy to bring your normal tablet or mobile app into our app store.
Okay.
We are working together with Harman. They are delivering us the white label app store.
Okay.
And we are do all the approval process together. So it takes an app provider only 2 to 3 weeks to get your app into the automotive, into the Audis, and in all VW Group cars. So we're talking about 40 million cars till 2030.
Okay. What about driver distraction? You don't want to play YouTube on the main console, I think. Is it correct?
Yeah, we do it. This is the example. So you see now here YouTube is playing on the middle display, on the center display. So if I would now, I cannot because I cannot drive. If I would now accelerate, it would stop here, it would be blocked.
Oh, okay.
So, but you have the co-driver display. If you open it here, so we change now from the middle to the co-driver display. So, and if I would now, so you're watching, and if I would now accelerate, you can still watching, and I can see currently the display, but then it will be shuttered. And I do not see anymore, and you still see and can move on watching. If I stop again in front of a traffic light, it will be back again, and I can also move on watching.
Okay, is it something in display that stops you from seeing?
Yes, the software behind the display who is doing the shuttering.
Okay, great. That's very interesting.
Yes.
Cool. And for sure, navigation is probably Google Map or any other app in Android?
Yeah, we have currently our own app, so it's not the Play Store as mentioned, so you currently do not find Waze or something like that, the Google stuff. But you see here a lot of other nice apps, and so we also have our own navigation app, which is pretty good. So also pretty nice, responsive. Yeah.
Yeah, it's very responsive. Some car infotainment are very slow. When you press a button, you do not expect to get fast reaction. And this display is the second screen for the main display.
Correct.
I wonder, it's like a different tablet somewhere else?
No, it's all driven by one head unit.
Uh-huh.
It's all based on one head unit, and it's not. There are not two different ECUs behind. It's one.
And is there some API or SDK for apps to communicate with the car ECU somehow?
The Android already gives a lot of permissions with over the vHall. You can already get access, easy access to GPS and stuff.
Okay.
But for sure, currently we're also looking to get deeper integrated apps. So developer who wants to really build car flavored apps, because we can not only give you access to the standard V-Hall, we can also give you deeper access to maybe steer ambient light, or maybe also get for sure GPS data, or get the steering wheel to really play games with the steering wheel, like Tesla is already doing.
Interesting. Yeah, exactly. That's what Tesla is doing. Yeah. And as an Android developer, do I need a car to debug my app?
This is still, I mean, to be honest, a little bit of pain. You only have the plain vanilla emulator you can download, but to be really deeper integrated and get you in the car is you need to go in direct discussion with us. But it's pretty easy. We are only a 10 people team. You see it outside now. You can come to Ingolstadt, and we do some test sessions. Go into the car and so on.
Okay, great. So we can kind of rent a car and test our app and see how it works.
Yeah.
At very end.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thanks for your time.
You.
That's very great. Yeah.
Thank you.